Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So today we are going to be doing the first mod on my S3. So I've actually had it for about 2 years now, and I finally decided that it's time to do something to it. Now, don't get too excited because it's something kind of minor. It's nothing crazy. It is an exhaust mod, so we'll go take a look at that in the garage. The box is actually out in the garage, so we'll go take a look at that, and we'll start doing the work on the car. And here it is in the box. Like I said, it's nothing crazy, but it is a OEM Resonator delete kit. Now, you probably noticed it does look a little dirty, and the reason for that is because it's used. So this thing was only $120. If you buy it brand new, it's 240 bucks. And all it is a pipe and a couple couplers, so why not save some money? So before we do the install, I'll go ahead and take a exhaust note clip, basically just so you can hear like what it sounds in the stock form. And then at the end of the video, we'll actually go out and take it for a drive. And I do have a really nice microphone, so it should sound really good and pretty accurate on what the Resonator delete actually sounds like. Alright, so the first thing you gotta do is undo this coupler here. There's a 13mm bolt, so we take that off and then slide the coupler back towards the front of the car. Also, don't forget to put the zip tie up here so that this metal pipe doesn't fall and hit you in the face.
What's the gas tank supposed to be?
No idea.
It might be a gas tank. It might straddle both sides.
Yeah, so over this side needs to be. Alright, so there you have it. This is the Resonator delete. We took out the Resonator, which is sitting way over there. And basically it's just a straight pipe with a couple clamps on it. And we'll go ahead and get it started to see what it sounds like. Alright, so there you guys have it. It was a really easy install, and I think it makes a huge difference in the exhaust sound of that car. It's something that probably should have been on there from the factory. I understand that some Audi owners are probably not going to be enthusiasts like a lot of us, so they might not really like the louder noise, but I think it sounds great, so I'm really happy with the mod. It only cost me 120 bucks, like I said, so totally worth it. It took us about 2 hours to install it, but we had to run out to go get like the actual pipe cutter. We rented it from AutoZone, something like that, and yeah, it was real easy to do. You cut a couple pipes, put on couplers, good to go. So I hope you guys liked that video. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, be sure to drop them down below. Also hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. As always, don't forget to reflect and never settle.